bring a lot more people together. The community has migrated across many different elements.
Okay, are we live now? Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Luis. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the SUMO community call. Today, it's Wednesday, 17th of July, 2019, although it's already Thursday here in Indonesia. You know, I'm from the future. But anyway, we're going to talk about more detail about Firefox 68 because we just released it last week. So we've got some responses that we're going to talk about. But first, let me take a look at our agenda and see if we have any shout-outs. I know I have written some shout-outs. So for everyone contributed on the Respond tool and Firefox 68 release, thank you so much. I can't name people because it's just so many of you. And I don't want to miss names. So thank you so much for contributing and for your awesome work as always. So moving on for the first update, which is about products. I'm going to give you a little bit of summary about the Firefox 68 release. So mostly on the issue part. Most of the problems are about the drag and drop issues that you might probably know and encountered some issues about that, whether on forum or Twitter. I have pasted an article about that, so please refer the user to that article if you come across one. I don't know, Roland, do you have any more in-depth explanation about that issue?
Yes, I do. So what we did was in Firefox 68 desktop, we have a new launcher process, and that prevents drag and drop operating if you have UAC disabled. So the workaround, as documented in the article, is to turn on UAC. And it was a bad thing back in the day, but it's okay now. So yeah, please give that a shot. I don't think that's a big issue, but it is an issue. Yeah. We have other issues about a half English interface, which is solved by Persian and Cache for those of you who run Firefox in English, but you live in Indonesia or the Philippines or somewhere else where there's another language. And that's about it. Been pretty quiet. We will have a doc release for some bug fixes, but I don't know when that's going to be released. I think today or tomorrow or early next week. And that's about it.
Thank you. And also, I think I've seen a lot of positive comment about on the good news part. We've got a lot of positive comments about the new feature from the DevTool, which is color contrast, which basically let you kind of identify accessibility feature or something like that. So it's a cool feature if you are a web developer. Check it out. All right, moving on. I'm going to remind you about the form that we just created for this release. So please, if you want to report trending issues or feedbacks around this release, please use that form. We're going to see if this works or not. If it's working, then probably we might going to continue for the next release. But if it's not working, please jump into the discussion in the forum that I just shared by letting us know how to make it better the next time. All right. We don't have any updates on the platform or localization or the forum, so we're going straight into the social one. So very quickly about the Twitter UI. So if you are using the Twitter web version, there is a new UI that Twitter just rolled out, I think last week. But the thing is that if you're using Trello, there is a bug that prevents you for the link to show in your Firefox, basically. So I would recommend you to stay with the old UI if it's possible. I'm not sure if it's possible to roll out back to the previous one, but if you still on the old one, please do so. Just keep using the old so you don't, you will not get that bug. Also, on the social part, I'm looking for some helps to connect the Firefox Spanish and Firefox Czech Republic Twitter account. So let me know if you can help us to connect those accounts back to the buffer tool. Because basically, I have the password, but apparently I can't log in because it asks for a security code that they send to the original email address that associated with the account that we cannot figure out. So please, if you know or if you have any idea about who's taking care of the original email, please let me know so that we can connect those accounts back to the buffer reply tool. Okie dokie. So we don't have any other topic for today, so I'm going to pass the topic for everyone here. I see there is Fernando here in the room. Fernando, do you have anything?
So no, I don't have one copy for today, but I have one question. How long we will be using two options for to log in on Sumo platform, you know?
Mm-hmm. So let me repeat your question. How long are we going to allow the two logins, right? Because right now we can log in from Firefox account and the Sumo accounts. Well, I don't have any definite answer for that, but I'm not sure if Roland, do you know the answer for that question?
Sorry, I was daydreaming. What's the question again?
So how long are we gonna allow the two logins? So right now.
Oh, I don't know. That's a Madalena and Tasso's question, but I think it's a few weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. No problem. Thank you. But I think for this is a sprint Sumo. This is a little bit sad. No more question or issues in Twitter on Trello. But no problem. Just kidding. But I don't know. So
yeah. Yeah, so I can clarify on that part. So basically what I do for this release is that I'm trying to kind of kick out those tweets that doesn't really need any help. So those are from my observation right now for ES and PTP or Portuguese. We don't have much traffic on people who ask for help. So I don't want to add stuff to the Trello board just because we have tweets, but if it's not really related to help or related to the release, I'm not adding that into the Trello board anymore for now. So I just want to kind of put some baggage from your side so you don't have to take all of those tweets from the Trello board. So I hope that answer your questions.
All right, I got it. Thank. Okay. No, I don't have more questions for today. Oh. Thank you, Kiki.
Okie dokie. So I think we're done for today. Thank you so much for coming or for watching this from Airmo or something. So I guess I'll see you next week.
See you.
See you, everybody.
Bye. See you later. Bye bye.